Is it the right time to buy or sell Amazon stock? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into Amazon and provide you with a detailed analysis. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, December 22, 2023. But now, we're here to give you an even more comprehensive breakdown. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. We wouldn't want you to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 5, 2023, our system has identified Amazon as a strong investment opportunity, giving it a score of 3.86. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 4.45%. This means that on average, it has delivered a daily return of 0.32% since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the upper part of a strong rising trend in the short term. For short-term traders, this presents a potential selling opportunity as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks the top trend line at $155.98, it may indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 23.85% change over the next 3 months. This means there is a possible return between 11.92% and 25.92%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 65.96% change over the next year. This suggests a potential return between 40.01% and 67.73%. In other words, the stock price could range from $214.80 to $257.33 after a year. Our latest update for Amazon reveals that it was a red day on Friday for the company. On the last trading day, which was Friday, December 22, 2023, the stock price of Amazon fell by 0.273%, going from $153.84 to $153.42. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 1.07%, with a low of $152.71 and a high of $154.35. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has seen a 4.07% gain, showing some ups and downs. It's worth noting that the decrease in volume along with the stock price is actually a positive sign, as volume tends to follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume dropped by 6 million shares, with a total of 29 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $4.43 billion in transactions. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the stock reached was $155.63, while the lowest price was $81.43. Currently, the price is 1.42% or $2.21 below the 52-week high. Moreover, it is 88.25% or $1,151.78 below the all-time high, which occurred on January 15, 2018. On that day, the price reached $1,305.20. Today, let's take a look at some recent analyst ratings for Amazon. On Thursday, December 21, 2023, Wedbush gave Amazon an outperform grade with a hold action. Also on Thursday, December 21, 2023, Wells Fargo gave Amazon a buy grade with a hold action. Moving back to Friday, December 1, 2023, Oppenheimer gave Amazon an outperform grade with a hold action. And a little earlier, on Wednesday, November 29, 2023, JMP Securities gave Amazon a market outperform grade with a hold action. Lastly, on Tuesday, November 28, 2023, BTIG gave Amazon a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have strongly recommended buying Amazon stock. They have given the PE ratio and price to book a strong buy rating. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a neutral stance. Let's take a look at the signals for Amazon stock. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest a positive forecast for the stock, indicating a buy signal. The short-term average is currently above the long-term average, further supporting this positive outlook. In case of any downward corrections, there are support levels at $152.09 and $146.34. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals may be issued. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. It's worth noting that some negative signals have been issued as well, which may have an impact on the near short-term development of the stock. On Monday, December 18, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point. Since then, the stock has fallen by -0.422%. The indication is that it may continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. However, it's important to consider that the volume of trading has decreased along with the price, reducing the overall risk as volume typically follows the price movements. Now, let's talk about an interesting event in the long-term chart. On Monday, February 13, 2023, the stock had a golden star signal. This rare combination occurs when the short-term moving average, long-term moving average, and price line meet in a special way. It's often followed by significant and sustained gains for the stock. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals that you might find helpful in your investment decisions. Let's start with the moving average convergence-divergence signal, which indicates a buy signal. Next, we have the pivot signal, which suggests a sell signal 5 days ago. The Bollinger signal, on the other hand, shows a buy signal 2 days ago. Looking at the short-term moving average, we have a sell signal 11 days ago. However, the long-term moving average gives us a buy signal 40 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also indicates a buy signal 37 days ago. Now, if we zoom out and analyze the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average suggests a sell signal 14 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 40 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages further supports a buy signal 30 days ago. If you want to discover more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Amazon. Amazon has found support from accumulated volume at $149.97. This means that when the stock price reaches this level, it is likely to bounce back up, making it a potential buying opportunity. The stock is known for being traded at a good volume, and it typically experiences minor daily changes, which makes the overall risk considered to be low. In the last day, the stock moved $1.64, 1.07%, between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, it has shown an average daily volatility of 1.95%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Amazon, let's first go over some essential fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating strong future growth. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.770. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll dive into potential day trading levels for Amazon. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at $153.79. If you're not already invested, it may be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. However, for those who already hold the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon faces its first support level at $149.97. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, allowing you to anticipate a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Amazon has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 6, 2023, Silipsky Adam sold 500 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On December 7, 2023, Silipsky Adam sold another 500 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On December 1, 2023, Harrington Douglas J. sold 4,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On November 22, 2023, Gorlick Jamie S. sold 6,843 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On November 21, 2023, Jassy Andrew R. purchased 10,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be -83.058, reflecting a negative trend. In the last 100 trades, insiders bought 211,314 shares and sold 2,565,805 shares overall. We recommend setting the stop loss at $147.63 with a decrease of 3.78%. This stock experiences low daily movements, minimizing the associated risks. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 4 days ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive signals and a general upward trend, suggesting that now might be a good time to consider buying Amazon stock. Our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued, after analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day. Looking ahead to Tuesday, December 26, we anticipate Amazon to open up at $153.49, reflecting a gain of $0.0733. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. To make informed decisions, it's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Remember, StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view on this stock. We value your opinion, so please comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. We're also curious about your target for this stock. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. With our best wishes for successful trading, have a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.